Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture let's have a brief overview of what exactly we will be building in this particular section. So this is the to-do app which we will build in this particular section throughout multiple lectures. So this is what our application is going to look like. So we have a header at the top, and over here we could add any kind of task. Let's say for example have dinner. And then if I click on add, it's going to be added over here to this particular list, and it should say have dinner here. And at the bottom in the footer, you'll be able to see that here it will display the total number of to-do items which we have in our list, and here it will also have the completed to-dos as well. So for example, if I add something else like workout, and if I click on add, that will be added up over here. And now what I could do is I could simply click on this one, and now it will be marked as done. And it says completed to-dos is 1. Now one more functionality which we will have in this particular app is that let's say if you go ahead and if you add another task like let's say meet a friend, and now if you want to say that okay, I have actually completed this have dinner task, you could simply click on it, and as soon as you click on it and as soon as that task is completed, it will move to the very bottom of the list which you have up over here. So this is the manner in which this is going to work. So this is how this application is going to perform, and you could even uncheck this, and if you uncheck this, then it's going to return back to its original place. And one more thing which you have up over here is that you could delete the to-do items as well by clicking on this particular button right here. So if I click on delete, as you can see, it gets deleted, and if I click on this one, it gets done, and the count over here gets updated as well. So this is the kind of application we will be building in this particular section. So from the next lecture onwards, let's go ahead and let's start building this application.